Hey all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Recently, I upgraded my PC from Windows 10 to Windows 11 because, as you know, Windows 10 is expiring in October 2025. And what I see is like after installing Windows 11 via update option, my local disk C is completely full. I only have 40 GB left out of 500, and I think it is way too much. And this is not normal because I know I don't have any files or anything else in my local disk C. I use my other drives for that. So I'm pretty sure it's something with the update. So after doing some research, I got to know that when we install Windows 11 from Windows 10 via update option, it will create a Windows.old folder which has all our old files if we want to revert back to Windows 10 if we encounter any issue or we don't like Windows 11. So the best option to clean this window folder is not to delete it. And even if you want to delete this folder, just go to your user folder and make sure you don't have any personal files in that. And to delete this folder option, what you can do is search for storage settings, let it load all the files, click on cleanup recommendation. It can take some time to load all the files, so just wait for it. So here you can see previous window installation. Originally this folder was 30 GB, and just to make this video I cancelled the delete part and I'm doing it again. I'm left with 5 GB, so just click on the previous Windows installation and clean up. What it will do is it will delete all the Windows files which it downloaded from the internet to install Windows 11. So once it's done its cleanup part, just restart your PC and then you have your space back. Please like and subscribe my channel and let me know in the comment section if you need any other help.